Hi, I'm Daniel Green and I've got a tip how you can reduce fat while you're cooking. Now we often hear about good fats, but we still want to minimize them as much as possible. So oil the food, not the pan, before you start cooking. I've got some chicken here and putting a little bit of grapeseed oil. What I'm doing is I'm just tossing and turning it so it's completely covered but not saturated at all. And it's going to make a huge amount of difference to the final amount of fat that you're cooking with. Now there's lots of oils you can use: grapeseed oil, peanut oil, avocado oil and olive oil. Now the other tip is you want to have a really good non-stick pan. That's also going to help you using less oil than you need. Chicken has got no fat. Once we take the skin off, there's zero fat in it, but we're still going to get a lovely brown colour, and that's just by brushing it with a little bit of oil. Take a look at that colour. So remember, you can always add a little bit more oil if needed, but go light to start with, and we've just saved you a lot of fat.